Welcome. So today we're going to talk about the duct cleaning package. It's the most complete package in the entire industry. Pretty much has everything you need to do residential and commercial work. Comes with 3 videos, one on residential, one on commercial, and also one actual job in action. So you go with the technician to the house and it's going from the beginning to the end on the job. When I did say commercial, it's basically like commercial. It's not everything, because everything would be like an Empire State Building. You're not going to be able to do with this kind of stuff. But pretty much everything else that you need to do, you'll be able to do it, and very easily. And it's got all the little things you're going to need. Let's start with this. This is basically your power house. What this is going to do is give you 3,500 CFM, so you can pull all the dust out. So this is your vacuum. And I want to show you how this works. This has a filter in it. It's like a pre-filter. And this catches all the debris. Has some accessories in here too that you need. Down here, if you could see, it has a HEPA filter. So it has a bigger filter down here that catches the rest. And also with this package, instead of just giving you one, you get 2. So there's this, there's another one there. So when that gets dirty, you can just replace that. You can clean it, you can throw it away after a while. Comes with this, comes with a 25-foot of this hose that you would connect to the ducts. Comes with the piece that you connect to the ducts. And also, perfect hole creator. You just hook it up on your drill and it cuts a perfect hole for this. So you can connect that to it, which connects to this, and that other one, other end connects to that. That's your vacuum side. On your pressure, air side, this is the compressor. The compressor is a high quality, best compressor you can buy. It has an Italian motor on it, engineered to last a really long time. It's made for this kind of application. Comes with everything that you see here. This is really heavy, so typically you'd leave it in your truck. You don't want to take this out, but if you have to, it's got wheels on it. You can pull it out, take it wherever you want. Some other accessories that you get this round ball. People wonder what the heck that's for. Well, that's so it doesn't get stuck in the ducts. You know, when you're going around, the swirling and stuff like that. So the round ball makes it easier to move. You got all the little adapters there. You got all the different kinds of brushes, different lengths, 8-inch, aggressive, not that aggressive. This one I think is 12-inch. This 12-inch, aggressive, not that aggressive. This one's more aggressive actually. Same thing, 18-inch aggressive. Even little details like caps. So when you do drill a hole and you feed your air hose in there, you're gonna have to cover it up. So you got plenty of those in there for you. Use those, and then lots of little drill bits and hoses and stuff like that. For example, this you would make your hole with. There's whip hoses and stuff like that you need. This is an air hose. Put this on the compressor and it spins around, shoots air out. Very good tool to use. All these little adapters, you plug this in and this one shoots the air forward, and this one actually shoots the air backward. So it has holes on it, and it would go the other way. It has this is also a whip with air, and then a splitter for your compressor. Your little spring valves there, and some other accessories. For example, when you are cleaning the duct, you want to be able to cover the duct so it doesn't suck up air. So you can put these stickers on the ducts and it keeps them sealed. Also, hoses includes I think it's 200 feet of hose. So you can leave the compressor in there. Typical house horn is about 150 feet. So you got plenty of that in there. And also the tech support, you know, if there is something that you need, we're here for that. Starting out, need help financing it. It's a amazing business, it really is. Of course, you have to do it right. It's unlimited potential, and these days with, you know, the air quality being important after the COVID incidents, recent past, and then also people just becoming more aware. They want to be able to clean their ducts, and typically they'll get it done every 5 years. So I think that if you're looking for a good package and you want to start or you want to expand, you don't want to have to hunt down little things that you're going to need, this is great. One thing that it didn't mention is the Thymol. We have Thymol for sanitizing air ducts. What you could do is, this is just a concentrate, and you add it with a gallon of water, and you can use a fogger, and actually this one does come with a fogger too. So you can put it in that fogger and you fog the ducts. That will kill the germs and things like that in there that may be causing mold issues, or, you know, even allergies for customers. So there's a lot to it. You can also get into duct work repair. That's also a really good growing business. Sometimes the ducts need to be looked at because, you know, they may have just gotten old with age. That's pretty much it. Thank you.